What's good, YouTube? Sneak underscore 804. Today I'm gonna show y'all a quick, easy, dirty way to clean and lube either your skateboard or your longboard. It's been a little while since I've longboarded, but tomorrow I'm finna go on a cruise with one of the homies, and since I haven't used, like I said, since I haven't taken a ride in a while, you know what I mean, I want to clean this up a little bit, lube the bearings. So, quick, easy way that I do it, I'm gonna show y'all. So, pretty much what you're gonna need is WD-40. Got a bottle of isopropyl alcohol right there. This one is, let's see, 50%. You know, you don't really need to have anything super 50, 70, whatever. You know what I mean? It'll work just fine. I got a microfiber cloth, and this one is pretty dirty. I used this cleaning my rims the other day, my truck, I believe. So, you know, it's already dirty. Haven't washed it yet, so I'm gonna just go ahead and use it for this. A few paper towels, and those are we got some hard brushes, wire brushes. I just picked these up from the dollar store for $1. And this black one is it's like a tough plastic almost. Probably start off with this one. And these are the same type of brushes. I use these to these are used to like clean off your battery terminals and stuff like that. So that's just, you know, to get an idea exactly what type of brushes these are. This one is tougher, and kind of golden colored ones are the toughest. So I'm not gonna use these. I'm gonna start off with this one, and I'm not sure yet. I'm probably not gonna use this one either. I'm probably gonna stick with the softest one. So I'll probably just do just fine. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to you know. And again, if you want to do a thorough clean, what you would ideally want to do is take your wheels off, you know, take your bearings off and do a deep thorough cleaning. But that isn't necessarily needed, you know, a whole lot, and I'm not gonna do that this time. I just need a quick clean and lube. So I'll show y'all how to do that. First, let me get this stuff out the way. And what you want to start off with is, let's see. You want to start with your alcohol and a paper towel. Usually what I do, take paper, you know, paper towel, fold it a few times, and it kind of narrow. And take your alcohol. Excuse me. And get it doused, you know, good amount. You don't really need it to be super ridiculously sloppy wet, but you don't want it dry either. But you got a good amount on there, and you know, you can always come back and put more if needed. So, you know, you want to start with less at first. Let me get in here so y'all can see this. The first area that you're gonna want to hit, and is right on the outside of your wheels. So fold that up and get it in there. Do a few rotations just like that. And make sure you're hitting that bearing. You know, you're gonna want to wipe that off. You're pretty much just gonna want to do that for all of your wheels. So I didn't put enough alcohol on the paper towel. As you can see, this whole top here is very small, so I'm gonna open that up a little bit more. And now I'm not using gloves, but you can. Ideally, you do want to use gloves. You know, you don't want to be getting any types of harsh chemicals on your skin, on your hands. Like I said, but I'm not gonna be doing that today. So when you're doing this, you know, use better measures than I did. Let's just say that. So that nice wet, and I'll go over that first wheel again. First bearing. Get in there, turn it around. You're also gonna want to do the back side of the same wheel. So let's see if I can get in there now. You also want to get the back side to be up in there. So I'm gonna do all 4 of those. You also want to make sure that you hit right up in there. So make sure you're hitting all of your moving connections. I'm gonna do that right quick. You know, y'all don't need to wait all the time, but just letting y'all know the areas you need to hit with the alcohol. And I'm gonna get back to y'all. So yeah, like I said, all 4 wheels, your front truss and your back truss. Make sure you get all of it real well. Alright, so I got it all alcohol down, got it in the wheel bearings and spacer and everything like that. Also, after to let y'all know the easiest way I found how to do it with the, you know, take the corner of the paper towel, you know, with alcohol on it, stuff it in there. I don't know if y'all can just lighten, and hold it, and then turn the wheel to make sure that you're not spinning the wheel around when you're doing it, because you know you want to be going in the opposite direction. So now, and I actually ended up using a little spray bottle, cleaned it out, put alcohol in there, and just sprayed up in there as well. Found that, you know, to be beneficial. Then I just went ahead and, you know, wiped the interface of the board down. Like I said, I'm going to use this soft line brush and just come in here and just get in there a little bit. And I'm going to do that for every wheel. I've already done my front too with this, and you know, nothing too serious, just like I said, just getting up in there, front and back if you can. And so, like I said, you want to make sure you're hitting all moving parts. Yeah, I think I got that up here pretty good. And after this, your next step is pretty easy. And you know, you can think of this as like preventative maintenance, you know, like you would do for your car, you know, just doing it for your board. So next, take your WD-40. It has this little you know, straw extended connection, and you really just want to get it up in there, give a few squirts on the outside, Ooh. That bearing is saying, you know, a lot better than it was. Y'all know I also took the alcohol pads and just wiped the outside of the wheels. I'm not sure, probably not gonna do, you know, too much cleaning of the, you know, bottom part of the actual wheel, but just take the WD-40, go all the way around every wheel, outside and inside, and make sure you hit that and give it a good spin, work it in there. After you do that, you want to just keep spinning them a few times, both directions, to let that WD-40 really work in there, soak up in there. You also want to hit these moving parts of the middle truss on the top and bottom. Now after you do that, I would stand on top of the board and, you know, just lean back and forth to let that work in some. And then your other wheels. So outside, inside, moving parts of your middle truss, and that's pretty much it. It's not too much to it. I'm gonna do that off camera, but yeah, just to let y'all know, some preventative maintenance for your board, skateboard, longboard, whatever. You know, just a quick clean up and lube to keep you going. You don't want that stuff getting all gunked up on you. It's not always necessary to take your wheels off and do a, you know, deep, thorough cleaning. So sometimes, you know, just in the meantime, you just want to get a quick clean lube. All right.